In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PowerPoint to your Wix site. By the end, your visitors will be able to view your slides right on the page without downloading anything. Before we start, make sure you have your PowerPoint file saved and ready on your computer, ideally named clearly so you can find it quickly. First, open your site in the Wix editor. On the left-hand panel, click the App Market. In the search bar, type Doc Viewer. This app is designed to display documents directly on your site, and it works great with PowerPoint files. When you see it in the results, go ahead and install it to your site. Installation only takes a moment, and once it's added, you'll have a new tool available inside your editor. Next, look to the top left of the editor and click the plus icon. This opens your Add menu. From there, head into App Widgets. This is where Wix groups the widgets that come from apps you've installed. Find the Doc Viewer widget, then click and drag it onto the page where you want your presentation to appear. Place it in a section with enough width so your slides are easy to read, and feel free to use the resize handles to adjust its size. You can always fine-tune the placement later. With the Doc Viewer element on your page, click it once to reveal its toolbar, then select Settings. In the Settings panel, choose the option to change the document. Here, you can upload your PowerPoint file from your computer or select it from your existing site files if you've already uploaded it. The Doc Viewer supports common PowerPoint formats like .ppt and .spt, and larger files may take a moment to process, so give it a second if needed. After the upload finishes, your slides will appear in the viewer right on the page. You'll see built-in navigation so visitors can click through slide by slide. If the viewer looks a little cramped, simply drag the corners to give it more space and align it with your page layout so it feels consistent with your design. That's all there is to it. To recap, install the Doc Viewer from the App Market, add the Doc Viewer widget from the plus icon under App Widgets, and in Settings, change the document to your PowerPoint file. With that, your presentation is live on your Wix page and ready for your audience to explore. Thanks for watching, and enjoy showcasing your slides directly on your site.